Live Listen is an accessibility feature on your iPhone 17 and 17 Pro Max that transforms it into a remote microphone. Introduced by Apple, it streams amplified audio from the iPhone's mic directly to your AirPods, Beats headphones, or made for iPhone hearing aids. This helps significantly in noisy environments, allowing you to clearly hear conversations or speakers from a distance. Think of it as a discreet way to focus on the sounds you want to hear, filtering out background distractions. The feature is free, built into iOS, and easy to use. To use Live Listen, you need an iPhone 7 or later, iOS 12 or newer, and a compatible listening device like AirPods second generation or later. To enable Live Listen, first pair your headphones or hearing aids to your iPhone 17 via Bluetooth. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, and select Hearing Devices. If you don't see the hearing icon in Control Center, add it by going to Settings, then Control Center, and selecting Customize Controls. Add the Hearing Devices control. Once added, swipe down to open Control Center and tap the hearing icon. Select Live Listen to start streaming audio from your iPhone's microphone. Place your iPhone near the sound source, and the audio will stream live to your connected headphones or hearing aids. Adjust volume from your device or headphones. For best results, ensure clear line of sight between iPhone and sound source. Live Listen streams live audio only and has minimal battery drain, though Wi-Fi mode uses more power. Remember, Live Listen works with compatible AirPods, Beats, or made for iPhone hearing aids. Download the manufacturer's app for additional features.